Hi there. Before we get started, I've got a wee prezi for you. Exciting! If you'd like to feel a little bit more calm throughout your day, I've created this guided mindful audio. It's under 8 minutes long. It's got a wee bit of breathing, a wee bit of mindfulness, and a wee bit of gentle movement as well. And you can use it wherever, whenever. It really has been created to help support you throughout your day. Grab it using the link that's in the description below. It is my gift to you to help you feel a wee bit more grounded and mindful off the mat, because that's really where it counts. You're welcome. Enjoy the practice today. Take care. So get comfortable. Do you want a wee bit more sunshine, a bit more shade? First of all, start with the back. Get the back and spine nice and comfortable. Lower back, is it better having your legs bent or your legs straight? Okay. The legs are bent, you can have the feet open and knees together, then you just forget about them. If your legs are straight, let the toes just fall out to the side and the feet are wide. Separate your arms from your torso and palms facing the sky. And first of all, start with a few big deep breaths. Deep breaths in, slow deep breaths out. Deep breaths in and slow deep breaths out. With every exhale, feeling more and more relaxed and softer. And now just allowing the breath to slow down and come to its natural rhythm. Observing the breath. Observing the breath. Gently relaxing the feet and toes, tops of the feet, soles of the feet. Gently relaxing your heels, your ankles, gently relaxing the lower legs. With every exhale, feeling softer, heavier and more relaxed. Moving up to the knees, relaxing the back of knees, the front of your knees. Thighs, inner thighs, outer thighs. To the back, to the hamstrings, to the quads. Whole thigh area is nice and relaxed. Bringing your awareness to your pelvis and glutes. Relaxing the pelvis and glutes. Your awareness to your lower back and lower tummy, lower abdomen area, shoulders. Working up the side body to the ribs, right ribs, left ribs. And then the torso, the abdomen, the mid-back, the front ribs and the back ribs. Bringing the awareness up to the chest. Upper back. shoulder blades, collarbones and shoulders. Bringing the awareness down from the shoulders to the biceps and triceps. To the elbows, inner and outer. Forearms. To the wrists and hands. Back of the hands. The palms of the hands. To all your fingers. To the fingertips. Feeling deeply relaxed. Start to move fingers and toes, hands and feet, and wrists and ankles. Take your time to feel the movement spread up your legs to the hips, up the arms to the shoulders. Just moving the hips from side to side, neck from the head from side to side. Take your time, just feeling the movement spread through the whole body. Maybe you want to take a full stretch, stretching the hands up over the head, or bringing one knee in at a time towards the chest, to a little fetal position to the side. And taking a moment here with your positive intention. And when you're ready, finding a comfortable seated position. Spine nice and tall, face soft. Face soft, forehead, the jaw. Chest open, shoulders relaxed. Just a wee moment checking in how you're feeling, the lower back, the hips. You've got the option to bring the hands to the heart centre in a prayer position. We're going to chant 1 Om and 3 Shantis. You can join in or just listen, whatever is most comfortable for you today. Breathing in to prepare. Om. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Smiling. Bring the hands up to the forehead. Om Shanti, peace in your mind. Bring your hands down to the heart center. Om Shanti, peace in your heart. And bring the hands down to the grass, to the earth. Om Shanti, may we all be healthy, happy and safe. And gently open your eyes.